Hubbard's body thetans, BTs, Aleister Crowley's demons, Carl Jung's archetypes, and the DMT entities all represent different ways of describing the same basic human experience, externalizing inner thoughts, emotions, and unconscious conflicts. Hubbard described BTs as the spirits of alien beings that attach to humans and cause problems, but this can also be seen as a metaphor for unresolved personal or emotional baggage. Crowley's demons, meanwhile, were often symbols of personal desires, fears, or traits that could be summoned and controlled through rituals, which is very similar to how people confront BTs in Scientology auditing. Carl Jung provided a psychological explanation for these phenomena. He argued that archetypes, universal patterns like the shadow, representing hidden fears, or the anima animus, representing the inner feminine or masculine, emerge from the unconscious mind and shape our behavior. In a way, demons and BTs are just specific, culturally shaped versions of these archetypes. DMT entities, on the other hand, show up during psychedelic trips, where the brain creates vivid symbolic beings, as a way of processing overwhelming emotions or unfamiliar mental states. They're not real in a physical sense, but feel real because they represent something deeply meaningful or unresolved within the mind. Ultimately, these ideas are different cultural and psychological ways of explaining the same thing. When people experience altered states of consciousness, whether through Scientology, auditing, rituals, dreams, or psychedelics, they often perceive parts of their unconscious mind as separate beings. These entities reflect inner fears, desires, or traumas, giving people a way to confront and make sense of things they can't directly understand. While Hubbard turned this idea into a system for control and profit, Crowley, Jung, and psychedelic users often saw these experiences as opportunities for personal growth or self-discovery.